explain the control panel on the SMLPA200. At the top, you have the amount of top wraps and bottom wraps you wish to apply to the pallet. Simply increase or decrease where needed. We have your set film tension. The film tension adjusts the tension between the carriage and the pallet. You have the rotation speed for your turntable, your carriage up and your carriage down speeds also. You have the automatic setting where it uses the clamps and the wiper. If you wish to only use it in a semi-auto mode, you can run it just as a normal turntable where the wiper arm and the fingers do not work. You have your manual controls for carriage up and carriage down. You have a top cover function if you wish to put a top sheet on top. Your auto height sensor on the carriage. You have your manual rotation for your turntable and also your reinforced wrap. So if you wish to add an extra rotation at any point in the cycle, if you just press reinforced wrap, it'll stop wherever the carriage is and complete a cycle. You have your reset machine, so if it becomes out of sync, simply just press reset and everything will return to its own position. You have your start and stop button and your emergency stop. At the top we have our wrapper status, so this is an indication light, and on the side here we have our alarm code register. So depending on the amount of times the light flashes will tell you what the fault is here. So I just press the E-stop, so to just disengage I just twist it. And we have our isolation on off at the top.